Have you been experiencing reliability issues on site? Are you bogged down with problems and struggling to see a path forward? Maybe you are trying to understand what actions you can take to improve asset reliability. If this seems familiar, why not join the Pro Reliability Solutions team for our next Reliability Elements online training session? As an element of our reliability-focused framework, this course is designed to guide you through the key methodologies that can support your organization's reliability journey. We will be sharing case studies to demonstrate the effectiveness of a well-established reliability journey and will cover the following topics: Lubrication Management, Defect Elimination, Threats and Vulnerabilities, Design for Reliability, Frontline Reliability Leadership, Asset Strategy Optimization, Electric Motor Management, Planning and Scheduling. And if you are still wondering about how to get started on your reliability journey, then don't worry. We will talk about how you can benchmark and prioritize your current state against a model of good reliability practice, revealing your reliability gap to potential and providing the basis for a well-structured reliability business plan for your own organization. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us for our next interactive online reliability elements training session. For further information on this course and other services, please contact us at info@proreliabilitysolutions.com. Pro Reliability Solutions Limited, powering reliability improvement and culture development in your business.